Hey YouTube, here I'm here another day. This is Wagner Ranger. Yeah, I've had some gas issues. Each time I pour gas in this truck, I was wondering what happened to my gas. I wondering, is it burning the gas? But here is the big problem. This is my 1990 Ford Ranger. If you're having issues smelling gas, you can look up here. It's connected right here. It's a gooseneck. Here's a hose. Bring your gas. The clamp right here. Here. So this from here. So I guess I'm gonna get it, saw it out, and then I'll put it back in. You don't need no mechanic to do this. Do this yourself. Just make sure you tighten your clamp. Then put it in. Get well tight. Okay. Here's the Ford Ranger. Still working on it. It's my project. It's been 2 years since I've been working on this truck. Been doing a lot with it. Hell. Been through hell and back with it. This is my project truck. I've been through the engine rebuilt, gearbox rebuilt, the diff, a lot of things. Wire loom. It's from scratch, as you see. I'm still working on it though. I'm giving up on this truck, no way. Been through a lot lately because of it. I'm still here. Give me thanks. I think it's a nice truck. I really like it. I had issues all around it, but I'm still. That's Wagner Ranger. That's the truck. So guys, I want you to like, share, subscribe, comment, leave a comment if you wanna. And don't forget to click the notification bell. I'm Wagner Ranger. I'm out. Peace.